Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the topic major events led to the unification. Means we already studied the unification of Italy. Till we are studying what are the causes led to the unification. First of all, the proclamation of United Italy in 1860. The army marched into the South Italy and the Kingdom of Two Sicilies when the peasants were supported the unification and they drive out the Spanish rulers. Then next year, 1861, Victor Emmanuel II proclaimed he was the king of United Italy. First of all, in 1860, the proclamation of United Italy. Then the second year, next year, 1861, Victor Emmanuel II proclaimed he was the king of the United Italy. At the same time, some of the states were joined into Sardinia. Some of the states were joined to Sardinia. The states like Papal, Parma and Modena. Papal, we already studied about Papal. Papal means some of the states were under the control of Pope. Then at the same time, Rome became the part of Sardinia and the final unification of Italy was also achieved in 1871. Means the unification of Italy completed in the year 1871. What is the importance of 1860? The unification of Italy. The proclamation of United Italy. 1861, Victor Emmanuel II proclaimed he was the king of the United Italy, and 1871, the unification completed. Then some scholars have argued the model of the nation state is the Great Britain. The model of the nation state, that is Great Britain. Why the scholars were argued the Britain is a model state? There is two reasons. First one, as the English nation steadily grow up and or steadily grow wealthy and they gain the importance and the power. When they will get the power, what happened there? It was able to extend his influence over the other nations of islands. Second point, the English Parliament, you know that the British Parliament, which has cast the power to the monarchy in 1688 at the end of the conflict. You know that when the British Parliament, there is a conflict existed, the British Parliament and the monarchy in 1688, the conflict was ended. How? Because the British Parliament to cast the power of the monarchy. Then the Act of Union 1707 is important. The Act of Union between England and Scotland related in the formation of the United Kingdom of Great Britain. The importance 1807, the Union, the Act of Union is important because the England and Scotland resulted in the formation of the United Kingdom of Great Britain. Then that means England was able to impose the influence on Scotland. Means Scotland was under the control of Britain. Then that time the British Parliament was dominated by its English members. Means if you know that British Parliament to cast the power in 1688, what happened there? So they were ruled by its English members. Then the Catholic clans of Scottish Islands suffered a terrible repression when they attempted to assert their independence. It means that the Catholic clans, some of the Catholic clans are existed there at the time when Britain became a model of the nation state. At the time, the Scotland or the clans did not have the independence, so they were declared strongly they want the independence. At the same time, Britain or the clans, they forbidden to speak the language, Gaelic language, or wear their national dress, and large numbers were forcibly driven out of their homeland. Means the clans did not use their language, means Gaelic language, then they did not wear their national dress. When they wear this kind of do these activities, what happened there? They driven out their homeland. Then Ireland was treated in similar way as Scotland. It means Ireland was divided into two, Catholics and Protestants. The English were supported Then Irish